Hi, my fellow Obiomas. So here's a video of how I make my cups for a cupped corset. So first of all, I start by using wadding, I think that's what it's called, and bra foam that is being sold in our local markets here. I use this too because the foam alone would be too soft, like to create that shape, like for the cup to hold its shape. So I use a wadding and then the foam. So here you can see me like just cutting out an estimate of what I think will be enough for creating two cups, because I'm going to iron these two together to form like one material. So here you can see me ironing the foam and the wadding together. You can use your fusible interfacing, put it in between, because ironing just the wadding and the foam, sometimes some areas don't get to be secured properly. So you do that, press very well so that it's properly secured. Then next, I'm going to put the fusible interfacing over the wadding side and then put my fashion fabric on top of it. So this, for me, because of how I make my cup corsets, it prevents me from having to do like another lining. So this is just going to be the lining for the corset, for the cup. So here you can see me trace out the pattern on this fabric, on this material I just made for my cups, tracing it out so that I can now cut it off and sew it together. I'm going to be using zigzag stitching. Hey, zigzag stitches. Yes, I'm going to be using zigzag stitches to put them together to create my cup. Yeah, I noticed when I was making this video, I missed some steps. So from this part, you're just going to see a cup already made. Boom. I'm sorry, guys, but just use a zigzag stitch. So you can see it here. When after a zigzag, I use a bias tape to cover the lining side of this cup. After which you must have had your fashion fabric to do like a facing for the cup. I missed that out as well, but maybe if I remember next time, I'll do another video that has all of this information. And then I stitched very close to the edges to help make it thinner, like thin. Yeah, so that it's a little bit flat, so you don't have to be working with like bulk. Here, I'm pressing the cup, molding it to have like a really nice shape for the boobs. So all of this is just to prevent, would I say flatness? I see a lot of flat cups on the internet, and sometimes when people use it on their clothes, you can see a lot of breasts everywhere, unless that's what your client wants. But my clients want their breasts to be cupped in their cup. So here's the finished product, and hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, send, and follow for more.